So you live in the Coomera area and your carpets need cleaning, or you have a pest problem with cockroaches or ants or spiders, or your kitchen or bathroom tiles and grout are becoming embarrassing, or your lounge and dining room upholstery is starting to look tacky. Are you becoming embarrassed to have friends or family over because of this mess? Because we provide such a good job, you won't go wrong calling us. Our clients love us so much because of the good value and job satisfaction we bring, that they hire us again and again. It gets even better. So say we do miss a spot. Our 100% satisfaction guarantee allows you to call us to go back and take care of any spots you believe weren't done properly. So just call us now on 0435 395 248 or go to our website at www.justperfectgc.com.au. You can also see what our clients think by checking out our Google reviews.